Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Suunto Vertical Smartwatch, a high-end wearable designed for extreme outdoor enthusiasts. We'll explore its features, design, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's kick things off with the design. The Suunto Vertical is undeniably robust, crafted with a titanium bezel and case, making it durable enough for rugged adventures. However, its size might not suit everyone, especially those with smaller wrists. The screen, unfortunately, falls short with its pixelated, low-resolution display, which is surprising given its premium price. Moving on to fitness capabilities, the Suunto Vertical excels in tracking a wide range of activities. From common ones like running and cycling to more niche pursuits like paragliding and telemark skiing. It provides detailed metrics like route tracking, pace, and even estimates CO2 savings from cycling, which is a neat addition. However, it does lack some more advanced features found in similarly priced competitors. One standout feature is its precise GPS and route planning abilities. The Suunto app allows you to create custom routes directly on your phone and sync them to the watch, which is ideal for off-the-grid explorations. The sunrise-sunset widget and built-in barometer are also handy tools for outdoor adventures, providing crucial weather information and recovery insights. Suunto deserves praise for its commitment to eco-friendly manufacturing practices, using renewable energy and supporting reforestation projects. This aligns well with their focus on durability and repairability, although it doesn't entirely justify the steep price tag. Unfortunately, the Suunto Vertical isn't without flaws. The blood oxygen monitor, a critical feature for high-altitude activities, often fails to provide accurate readings, which is a significant letdown considering its target audience. The user interface also feels dated and lacks customization options expected in a premium device. So, who should consider the Suunto Vertical? And can overlook the screen quality and occasional sensor issues, this might be worth your investment. However, for most users looking for a versatile smartwatch for everyday fitness tracking, there are more affordable options that offer better value for money. That wraps up our review of the Suunto Vertical. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.